When you're looking online to find valuations, it's just a general summary of recent homes that are kind of like it that sold. It doesn't take into account things like, has it been remodeled? What's the location? For a lake, for all of my lake people, how much frontage, like how much beachfront do you get on that lake? Is it a ski lake? Is the area desirable? What is the inventory? How many other homes are like it? And let me tell you, in this area, they don't come up very often. And so bam, it was gone. So there's a lot of other factors just than, price per square footage when we're thinking about the valuation of a home. One that I'm sitting in right now, we're going to increase the value by staging. So you would be surprised what would happen with a little bit of adjustment to your home and some staging. You can get up to 10, 15% more just by that alone. So reach out to me. My number is 407-921-1310. Let's sell your home for top dollar.